everybody, so now's the ending video, and it's the customization of your countertop. So these are my friend, again, Terry's with me, and our other friend Kim. We have been partners in crime and traveling and fun and all things girly for a long time. So we're glad that Kim can join us on this section. So we're talking about customization of the granite. Now, when Terry was picking out, and this added to her cost a little bit because, well, no, or maybe it didn't. When you're doing granite, there is no set, I mean, when you buy the slab, right?
Yeah, the slab.
So this countertop right here looks to be about 3 feet here, but then it is cut uniquely in a unique shape. I'm not even sure what shape that is, but it allows for about a 2 foot, maybe 18-inch overhang over here. So customizing, how is this different than when you had laminate here before you did this renovation?
Before we did the renovation, we just had laminate. It went probably about to here. It was just a regular countertop.
The true 2 feet.
We did not use it for eating purposes. I used to have a little dining room table here, but when we decided to renovate, I got rid of the table, and this was going to become our daily counter. Kids are gone. We didn't need all that.
There you go.